welcome back to the Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be making a quick and easy project. It's going to be a key fob. So for this project you're going to need 4 inches by 13 inches in the length, and also for the press on, the pellon, I'm using FS 101 and you're going to be using 4 inches by 13 inches also. And we'll need some hardware for this. I'll be using this hardware to squeeze it down. I'll show you further on in the video how I do that. So let's get started. So you put your press on, you're going to press it into like this. After you put your pellon and you press it, you're going to fold it into like this. And you're going to give it a nice press. So going to press it down. Then you're going to fold it in like this. And fold it in like this. And we're going to fold it back like this, making sure it's 1 inch, and give that a nice press. So I'm going to give it a nice press. Now we're going to stitch the edges 1/8 of an inch all the way to the end, and on the other side as well. You want to start by stitching all the way to the edge 1/8 of an inch on both sides. So now you're going to fold it into like this, and you're going to put a stitch here to the top. So I went ahead and I folded into, and I'm going to put a stitch across. You're going to put your hardware like this. Then you're going to take your little pliers so I'm going to give it a good squeeze. Hold it in place so it doesn't slide, and squeeze. So just want to make sure you squeeze down properly like this, because it's easy for it to slip out of place. This is the bank.